Hi guys, today I'm gonna share how I create vehicle abstract file art from this to this in Photoshop coming up. So if you can see that the picture, I just want to focus on just one subject. So gonna be her. So I'm gonna remove some people around behind the subject. So I'm gonna duplicate the layer and I'm gonna use clone stem tool. Press option somewhere you want to press get rid of the people. So I think a lot of people know about clone stem tool, so I'm gonna move forwards. I already done this, so this is after. So next I'm gonna be called like a rule upstairs too. I'm gonna put the subject on the right just a little bit, so not like quite in the middle. It's gonna look dry. It's not look good for my eyes. So what next? I'm gonna merge the layer everything by press Shift Command E and then Command J to duplicate the layer. So let me zoom out a little bit. So go to Crop tool and then press Clear and then just drag like this much and then go to Rectangular tool. Press right there and right click free transform and then right click again to destroy and you drag to that and press OK and command D to deselect and then go to crop again and I use like 2x3 just one like that, maybe a little bit more, press OK. And then I just for myself I like to merge everything to make it clear, so I press Shift Command E, press Command J to duplicate the layer. And after that I'm gonna just, if you can see the subject, I need to fix the subject to like right now she look like an unexposed. So let's go to select and press subject and then press Command J. It's gonna create a new layer only subject, so I convert this to smart object and then press Shift Command A to go to camera raw, go to basic, just make her wider, like not too much. There. It depends on your photo, so just keep that in mind. Not too much bright. Alright, gonna change her. Like so, and then press just press OK. You can see before and after, and then I'm gonna move the layer again. I use a shortcut key a lot, so yeah, I'm gonna be Shift Command E and Command J to duplicate the layer. So next we're gonna select the subject, go to select and subject again, and this time you want to make it like more realistic. So if you can see shadow, we need to select that too. So go to what you call quick selection tool and select small this area, add more. So, okay, and then press Command A. I uncheck the first the layer on top first, and then when we do visual layer 1, we need to remove the subject. So that's the bad way to remove the subject. So go to select and subject and then go to edit and fill, go to content aware and this opacity to 100 and press OK. And then the subject gone, but it's not quite. So we need to remove this. So next I'm gonna use pass tool. What do you call? Yeah, pass tool. This is before and after. So next we're gonna blur everything out. So I'm gonna convert this layer to smart object by click convert to smart object. And then go to filter, to blur gallery, and then pass blur. If you can see the arrow, it needs to go the same direction with the movement. So this gonna go from right to left. So I move this to the left. And you can change and add another one. You can make a curve to make like a real, you see the wave is go. So right there. You see speed, so usually default is 50%, so I'm gonna go like all the way up to close to maximum with 500. So yeah, let's do to 500 and then press OK. When I check the subject, if you can see, and then next we're gonna do, let me zoom in. We need to fix this area right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click to the layer, just only the subject. So click, go to Eraser tool and use a soft brush and just delete, remove. So you get an idea for this. And then if you can see the shadow, it's kind of look weird, so we need to fix that. So next we're gonna do, go to polygons laser tool. After you make a select and then right click and go to layer via cut. So go ahead and click and then it's gonna make just only the, you see it's gonna cut already. So next we're gonna go to filter, Gaussian blur, just make it blur just a little bit and press OK and go to filter again and use a blur and motion blur. And this time, if you can see, the angle it have to be top to bottom, so gonna be like so. And then press OK. I'm gonna move just quite like that. Go to swap and drag a little bit more. Okay, and then press OK. So all good except the lighting, lighting. So the last step we're gonna do, I'm gonna move the layer by press Shift Command E together, and then duplicate the layer by press Command J, and go to Camera Raw by press Shift Command A. So if you can see, I'm gonna fix the, right now it's kind of overexposed, so gonna drag this black down, white, a little bit of contrast, go to contrast like that. So Okay. And next thing, go to color mixer. Go a little bit. I need more contrast, so everything saturation gonna be a little bit more color. Her clothes, her shirts, like that. All right, you can see it before and it's after, more contrast. So it depends on your picture. So if you get an idea, all right. So and then I press OK. So let's see before and after. All right, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.